46 into 12. Any numbers you can write either 46 on a book or 12 on a book. So we take this place, one's place of downside and one's place of the upside. We read the table 2 6 are how much? 12. Then carry. I told earlier, we write only the unit place and carry is the tens place. Means 1 is carry. If when multiply 2 into 4, then 2 into 4 means 2 4s are 8 and carry 1, 8 1 9. The second, if we write the second digit, we left one place downside the 2, or we say this is the 0, left means 0, or we cut it, or we take the one space. So 1 into 6, very easy. 1 6 are 6 and 1 4 are 4. Then add these 2, 9 plus 6, 9 plus 6 15, carry 1 4 1 5. This is the column method of multiplication and this is the horizontal method of multiplication. By these two methods you can easily multiply. Here if you know only the 1 to 9 table, then you do easily, and if you have more tables, then you do these methods. The second topic is word problem based on division. 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 What means in division find the quotient of. Find the quotient of quotient in. Find the quotient in 63 divided by 6. Here the word is what is quotient. The spelling is more carefully read. QUOTIENT means this is the quotient. What is the meaning of quotient? If you divide any numbers by others numbers, if the numbers is exactly divisible, means remainder is equal to 0. If remainder is equal to 0, then how many times you read the table, that time is known as the quotient. What? That quotient. So if we read here, the question is 63 divided by 7. The meaning is we read the table of 7. How many times? We don't know. We read, but how much? There is less than 63 or equal to 63. So we start 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 14, 7 3 ja 21, 7 4 ja 28, 7 5 ja 35, 7 6 ja 42, 7 7 ja 49, and 7 8 ja 56, 7 9 ja 63. Here we get 63. How many times? 9 times 7 is equal to 63. So the quotient is 9. The quotient is 9. Here one more thing, we discuss what are the main parts of the division. Division has four main parts. How many parts? Four main parts. What are these parts? You know, if you don't know, see here. Dividend. The second one, divisor. The third one, quotient. And the last and fourth is remainder. We understand? You see here carefully. Division has how many parts? Four main parts. Division has four main parts. The first one is dividend, second divisor, third quotient, and last and fourth is remainder. So see here what we do. 63 divided by 7. This is what? This is dividend. This is dividend. What is the given numbers? The numbers given is dividend. And by the numbers we want to divide is called divisor. Is called, what is divisor? By the numbers we want to divide the given numbers is called dividers. Now we read 7 nines are how many times? 7 9 times is equal to 63. So we write here 63. And after subtraction, 3 minus 3 equal to 0. 6 minus 6 equal to 0. Here, this is the remainder. 0 0 means already 0. Remainder. And this is quotient. I think you understand easily. To understand this, what is the divisor, dividend, quotient, and remainder? So, how many main parts are division? 4. Which? Dividend, divisor, quotient, and remainder. So, it will be completed. I will move on next topic. The next topic is approximate value or estimated value. Estimation of numbers. Estimation of numbers. The question, I will not write here what problem question. You see on your book from exercise 1.2 and solve the problems based on word problem. Because he has not write. So the next topic is estimation of. What is the estimation? Estimation just say as approx value or approximation. Approximation. Other name is round off. Round off. Other is nearest to. What? Nearest to. This question asks many types. Estimate that value, approximation of value, round off, nearest to. How you understand this? There are many ways to estimate, means round off. If you ask that how much cost of this, someone told 92. But we ask how much is nearest. If you ask the nearest thing, I take the value 92. And 92, which is the nearest? Means nearest to 10 or 100 or 1000 or 10,000 or find the nearest 10. We write the value before the 92 and after the 92 numbers. We write 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99 and then 100. Here we got 10. 9 tens are 90 and 10 tens are 9 tens are 90. Here we got 10, one here 10 and other. So which is the nearest? 92 is nearest to 90 or 92 is nearest to 100. See here 1, 2, third number and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and then which is the nearest to 92? 92 is nearest to 90 if we ask that nearest 10. But nearest 100? Nearest 100. In 100 there is 0 and 100. 0 and 100 and 92 is nearest to 0 or 100. When we see here 92 is nearest to 100. If you ask that find the nearest to 10, then you